Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today we are going to install this Fram Extra Guard air filter for our 2018 Jeep Renegade. So we'll go on and unbox this, and I'll just show you step by step of how I go ahead and do that, and hopefully it can help you out and anybody else watching. I'll also leave a link down below if you actually like to use this product here, the Fram Extra Guard air filter. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I got my tools right here ready to go. We're going to get started by opening up the hood of our Renegade. Let's see. There we go. Pop it up. Oh, it needs two hands because I need to put that little thing up there. Alright, give me a second. Alright, hood latch is up. Hood is up. So now we're going to get the air filter compartment, which I believe it's this guy right here. And yeah, because there's the intake right there. So this should be for the air filter right here. Now Nicole can't remember when's the last time she changed this, so it might be kind of dirty. So hopefully this does help it out to give it some better gas mileage and improve the car performance overall. But yeah, let's see what we need to actually take it out. This is actually my first time doing this. So let's see. It looks like we need a Phillips head there, a Phillips head there, and another Phillips there. So it looks like a grand total of 3 Phillips screws. Let me grab a Phillips head and start popping this out. Alright, here we go. I got my Phillips head screwdriver. Looks says what, 2/4 on there? Yeah. And we're going to screw that out. I believe this is a magnetic head too, so if for whatever reason I do lose the screw, it could easily get picked up with the magnet, I hope. But yeah, let's go. Oh man, this one's rusted on good. Come on. Alright, there we go. There we go. Sweet. Let's pop these out real quick. Come on. Man, it's a long screw. Alright. It was quite rusted, and it's a pretty long screw as well. Crud. Alright, so I did drop it, and I did find out that the screwdriver is a little magnetic, as you can see here, but not the best. So it was a little troublesome to get. Alright, let's get the other screws out. Alright, got it out. And always don't forget, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Let's get the last bolt out. Screw out. Which is right there. Might be a little hard to see. Alright, got it out. So I'm keeping all of my screws together in one area. I'm just keeping it right here in the little lip area of the car so I don't lose it. Alright, let's open this up, see what we got inside. And there we go. Let's pop this out. Yeah, pretty dusty, pretty dirty. Probably get the vacuum and pick it all up. And oh yeah, look at that. I'm sure it's been some time since the last time this has been replaced. Again, Nicole didn't know, and I for sure don't know. But give me a second. I'm going to clean this up, and then we'll do the replacement. Alright, I got my shop vac right here. We're going to just suck up all the debris that's in there and continue with the installation. Alright, nice and clean. Look at that. No debris in there. Sweet. Let's go get the new one out. Again, this is the Fram Extra Guard air filter for the 2018 Jeep Renegade. Let's open it up. Nice and clean. Look at that. Looks just like the original one that was in there, but obviously not dirty. Sweet. All right, let's pop it in. Looks snug. All right, popping back the lid. Good to go. Now we're going to put back the 3 screws that we took out originally. Here we go. And there we go. All right, nice and sturdy, stuck on there good. 3 bolts back inserted, and that was it. That's the installation of the air filter on the Jeep Renegade. If you guys like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. If you like to actually use the Frame Extra Guard air filter, this is a dirty one right here. There'll be a link down below if you like to use it. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Like, comment anything down below. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.